Hey guys, Neil here. We are back with another Pixels video, and yes, today we're going to talk about the market overview of Pixel token. We're also going to discuss about the current events. As of right now, there's actually not that much. There's just AMAs and everything. They lay out plans, of course, but yeah, right now I don't think this is quite worth it to share because the locations of power pixels changes. But instead, I'll show you guys how you can get all of those power pixels for you to craft Infiniportable. I think it's good to have or collect, but I don't think it's worth to create a content out of this. So instead, I'll show you guys how you can get all the power pixels as soon as possible because they change location. But before that, I have some exciting news for everyone. This giveaway is sponsored by DC Dragons, and we are giving away a 24-hour access to land 363, which is part of the DC Guild. And what happens is, if you are the winner, you will have 24-hour access to this land, meaning you are the only one using this land for the 24-hour period, and that means you can use whatever industry that you would like barbecue and mill, as well as the precious trees on this land. Yeah, what you just need to do, guys, is follow the instruction that I'll be posting in the Twitter. Winner will be announced in 24 hours. What you guys want to do is go to Twitter and then search for Barney. So when you visit Barney, he will post something about the latest location of the power pixel, so you can just follow, notify in every post, so you will be aware about the latest location. So when you click the latest post, you guys can see here that even the community shares about the location. So yeah, the current location right now 5 hours ago is at this pond right here. So we're gonna check here. Okay, so make sure you bring your magnifying glass as well. So this is the one. Okay, we also have one here. Okay, then this yellow one right here, and then this green one right here. Okay, and yeah, we have this blue one as well, so you can click on that. Oh, it's not the one. Right, so that's one here and then one here. Well, that's difficult to see, guys. So we have one here. Okay, guys, so we now have the 5 power pixels. So what you guys need to do is just visit the Ministry of Innovation, and then from there you can craft Infiniportable. And go here and then click on Infiniportable and then create, and then you can wait for 30 seconds, and from there you can use it. It's consumable. You can teleport on any lands you like. Just make sure that it's not under your bookmarks because there's no sense at all. So we'll talk about pixels and how it's doing right now, guys. So I mentioned about this support right here in my previous video. It was respected luckily, and now the price is pushing a little bit up. We're trying to break some of this lower highs right now. So yeah, if we break this, it would be more bullish, and there's likely a chance that we will go back to 51 cents. Right now the market is pulling back, but hopefully soon we will see the price going back to the 51 cents, and we'll see if we can sell at this price level and probably just buy back when the price goes back to the 37 cents. So I guess that's just all, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.